So we have now finished. So we put in this, we used this old dog kennel. And now we have a nice wall and door. We got a nice pump here. It was already here. So we have this area where we can put some food and hay and all that stuff, and then we have the actual chicken area right here, so we need to put some hay and some wood chips down. This will eventually open up into a yard outside. So we're actually just putting 8 of our 27 chickens, these are the biggest, in here, and then eventually we'll take this temporary fence down and open up the whole thing. At the moment we have 28 chickens. 27 chickens. We did have 28, but then one died yesterday, so we're now down a chicken. But that's okay, we still have a whole lot more. So yeah, we've finally finished. The next project is to work on the golf cart because that had a really flat tire. So we're putting on, well, none of my friends or a lot of other family would know, but the golf cart might have hit a nail or something. We're pretty sure it hit a nail, punctured it so it went flat. So we're just going to put the old tires on for now, temporarily, until we can get that tire fixed. So right there where the circle is, that's where the puncture is. So as soon as that thing is fixed, we can put this tire back on. But in the meantime, putting on these old tires, which is what we're working on now. So we've got the first one on, and then we just got to replace that tire with this one. Okay, so we have finished the whole project. We have some hay here for just when we're going to clean out the coop. We got all the feed right here. We got some jugs of water. And at the moment, we're doing our the chicken chore. So we're refilling all the food. So if you look right there, that food is empty. So we gotta refill that. So this fence right here is to separate the little guys, so these guys, from the big chickens. So these are a couple weeks older. But that one's name is Chippy, and he's got some messed up hair. So these are all of our little chickens. We got them a couple weeks ago. I will show you some footage of when they were little now. So there are about 10 chickens in each. So we got Americanas in this one, and Leghorns in this one, and all 10. There's 10 Americanas and 10 Leghorns, and they were all just sitting in this tiny little area. So this is my hand, and that's 10 chickens just sitting in there. So, yep. So we had to. They're doing well though. The Leghorns needed some help getting food and water because they didn't know what that looked like. These guys are rocking. It looks like they already know how to eat.
So these ones are Americanas, and the other ones over here are Leghorns.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Here are our chickens. This one's name is Big Chongus. And so the big one's about 2 weeks older. And the little ones we've had for about 3 weeks now. So they've been living in the basement. We moved them a couple days ago into here. So yeah, we're just gonna finish up this chore. And we now have a farm dog. Copper. Say bye, Copper. Good enough. Hey guys, just before we end the video, please remember to go watch that video. We have a new channel. It will be on the eye in the corner right out here. So make sure you go watch that, because we have started another channel. It's called Olsen Bros. It is all the big projects that all the cousins and us are doing. So make sure you go watch that. Odin and Jack are posting on that right now, so their channel links are in the description. Make sure you go check them out, because they do some pretty cool stuff. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there to go check out that channel, because we are not going to be posting any videos that go onto that channel. We will not be putting on our individual channels. They will be going to that channel, so make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an upload.